Hi, everyone. Have you ever encountered this situation? Your phone connects to Wi-Fi perfectly fine, but your home's smart devices just can't seem to connect no matter what? Don't worry. This might be related to the frequency band of the Wi-Fi. Today, let's talk about 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi and teach you how to easily solve device connection issues. 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz refer to the network frequency bands of a router's Wi-Fi. They have nothing to do with the 4G or 5G mobile networks provided by your cell phone carrier. Currently, most routers support 2.4 GHz. Quite often, when your phone can connect but smart devices can't, the problem may lie with dual-band merged Wi-Fi. This means the router combines the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands into a single Wi-Fi name. There are two scenarios here. Scenario 1. If the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands use the same account, SSID, and password. When you select this Wi-Fi, your phone may automatically connect to the 5 GHz band. However, many smart devices only recognize the 2.4 GHz band. But don't worry, under this circumstance, the device will automatically adapt to the 2.4 GHz band. You just need to enter the correct password, and it will connect successfully. Scenario 2. If the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands have different accounts, SSIDs, and passwords. If you accidentally connect to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi, the smart device will get lost, fail to connect. In this case, you need to manually select the Wi-Fi with 2.4G in its name and enter the corresponding password. Then the device will connect smoothly. If your router supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, but only the 5 GHz Wi-Fi is enabled, don't panic. Manually enabling the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi is super easy. Let's take a smart Wi-Fi router as an example and follow these steps. Preparatory work before operation. Ensure that your computer or mobile phone is connected to the router's Wi-Fi. Otherwise, you won't be able to access the management background. Confirm the router management password in advance. If it has not been modified, the initial password is usually on the label on the back of the router. If you forget the password, you need to restore the factory settings through the router's reset button. After resetting, you need to reconfigure the network. Operate with caution. Step 1. Access the router management background. Enter 192.168.801 in the address bar of your computer or mobile browser. The default management IP of routers may vary by brand. Please refer to the management IP or website marked on the label on the back of the router. Press the Enter key after inputting, and you can jump to the login page. Step 2. Log in to the management interface. Enter the pre-confirmed router management password and click Login. Step 3. Turn off dual-band combination and restart. After logging in, find Wi-Fi settings in the left or top menu bar of the management interface. After clicking to enter, find the dual frequency option. Click the switch to turn it to off, and wait for the router to restart automatically. Step 4. Set the 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi parameters respectively. After the router has finished restarting, log in to the management background again through the management IP. Click on Wi-Fi settings. At this time, you will see two independent setting modules, 2.4G Wi-Fi and 5G Wi-Fi. Configure them respectively. After the settings are completed, click Save and wait for the router to restart. After completing the above settings, you can see the configured 2.4G Wi-Fi and 5G Wi-Fi on the phone's Wi-Fi settings page. Note: since the Wi-Fi name has been changed, all devices connected to this wireless router need to reconnect to the network. If the password has not been changed, it remains the original password. Smart devices can only select 2.4 GHz when connecting to Wi-Fi. If you encounter any problems, first check the frequency band and password, and just follow the steps for setting. Thank you for watching.